Have you ever wondered how some creators on Twitter and LinkedIn consistently post high-quality, engaging content that looks effortless, while most people struggle just to put a single thread together? Well, today we're diving deep into Typefully, an AI-powered tool that promises to make writing, scheduling, and growing on social media 10 times easier. If you've been searching for a platform that not only helps you write better but also actually teaches you how to grow an audience, then stick around because by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether Typefully is worth your time or not, and I guarantee some of the features I'm about to show you will surprise you. So let's start with what Typefully actually is. At its core, it's a social media writing and publishing tool, originally designed for Twitter but now expanding into LinkedIn as well. Think of it as your all-in-one writing studio where you can draft threads, polish your writing with AI assistance, preview exactly how your posts will look, and then schedule them at the perfect time. The interface is clean and distraction-free, and if you're someone who gets overwhelmed staring at a blank page, Typefully immediately removes that pain. Now, the first thing I noticed when using Typefully is the AI writing assistance. This is where the tool really shines. You can take a rough idea, a couple of bullet points, or even just a topic, and the AI can expand it into a polished draft. It doesn't just throw generic text at you, it actually learns your style over time and suggests phrasing that matches your tone. For example, if you're writing a Twitter thread about productivity hacks, you can let the AI draft an engaging hook, restructure your points, and even suggest emojis or formatting to make it pop. That means instead of spending hours writing, rewriting, and second-guessing your tweets, you're moving faster and with more confidence. But what really sets Typefully apart is its focus on structure. When you're building a Twitter thread, presentation is everything. Typefully gives you a live preview of your thread as you're writing it, so you can see exactly how it will look on the platform before you hit publish. This might sound simple, but it's a game changer. No more posting threads that look cluttered, or realizing after posting that your formatting doesn't work. You're always in control of how your content is going to appear. Another powerful feature is scheduling. Growing on social media isn't just about what you post, but also when you post it. Typefully allows you to schedule tweets and threads in advance, which is huge for consistency. If you're trying to build an audience, you can't just post whenever you feel like it. You need to show up when your followers are most active. Typefully gives you analytics and best time suggestions so your content lands at the right moment. You could literally plan a whole week of content in one sitting, hit schedule, and let Typefully do the heavy lifting while you focus on creating. Now let's talk about analytics. One of the most frustrating parts about using Twitter natively is how limited the insights are. Sure, you can see impressions and likes, but that doesn't tell you much about what's actually working. Typefully's analytics dashboard is way more advanced. You can track engagement rates, follower growth, and even compare how different types of posts perform. This is where the platform really helps you grow because it's not just about writing better, it's about learning from your audience. You can spot patterns, double down on what works, and cut out what doesn't. That kind of feedback loop is priceless if you're serious about growing. But wait, it gets even better. Typefully has something called ghostwriting mode. If you manage multiple accounts, or you're writing for clients, this feature allows you to switch personas and create content in different voices without mixing them up. It's perfect for social media managers, agencies, or even freelancers who are building content for multiple brands. It keeps everything organized and helps you adapt your writing style instantly. And speaking of adapting, Typefully AI isn't just about writing, it's also about learning. The platform gives you writing tips, growth tactics, and even templates based on what successful creators are doing. You can pull inspiration from proven frameworks and then customize them to your own niche. Imagine having a roadmap for growth baked right into the tool you're already using to create. That's exactly what Typefully is doing. Now let's get real. Is Typefully perfect? Not exactly. While it's super powerful, there are some limitations. For example, the AI can sometimes generate text that feels a little too generic, so you still need to review and tweak it to make sure it sounds authentic. Also, if you're only casually posting once a month, this tool might be overkill. It's designed for people who actually want to grow consistently and take content seriously. And of course, some features are locked behind the paid version, which might not be ideal for beginners on a tight budget. But when you weigh the pros and cons, the value is clear. If you're serious about building a personal brand, scaling your social presence, or even managing accounts professionally, Typefully can save you hours every week, improve the quality of your writing, and give you the data you need to grow faster. It's like having a writing assistant, editor, strategist, and publishing tool all in one. To wrap things up, let's quickly summarize. Typefully gives you distraction-free writing, AI-powered assistance, live thread previews, advanced scheduling, analytics, ghostwriting mode, and growth tips all in a single platform. It's not just about posting, it's about posting smarter, and that's what makes it stand out in a world where everyone is trying to get noticed. So here's my honest recommendation. If you're looking for a way to take your Twitter or LinkedIn game to the next level, give Typefully a try. Use the AI to spark your ideas, schedule your content, track your growth, and refine your style. Even if you start with the free version, you'll immediately feel the difference in how smooth and efficient the process becomes. And remember, tools like Typefully don't replace your creativity, they enhance it. The magic still comes from your unique ideas, your personal stories, and your authentic voice. What Typefully does is remove the friction so you can focus on what really matters, connecting with your audience and building your brand. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Peace.